Hi, my name is Mohd bin Musa. My matrix number is 264.86. Now I'm going to present about the comprehensive case 2, which is the first question is identify the issue faced by Atif, the junior accountant in Qdin Berhad company. So the issue that faced by Atif, the junior accountant in Qdin Berhad, which is Atif is not really experienced for handle attribution of cost, property, plant and equipment. Okay. This is because in the process of acquiring the machine to expand the business operation, there are costs incurred and revenue earned. So Atif need to classify which is the cost incurred and revenue earned in the process of acquiring the machine. But in this case, there are two machines involved, which is the first machine is bought from New Zealand and the second machine is self-construct. So Atif need to classify the cost that needed to be attributed for these two machines. Now we proceed to the second question, which is analyze the problem that faced by Atif. As we stated in the first question is Atif is not very experienced to handling the situation for attribution of cost for property, plant and equipment. This is because he is still new in accounting world. So Atif will get the problem to classify which is the cost incurred and revenue earned to acquire the machine. But in this case, Atif doesn't know how to differentiate what are the costs which are unnecessary to be recorded in the cost of machine. So we proceed to the last question, which is help Atif to make a decision related to the above issue by providing justification based on the MFRS 116 property, plant and equipment. So for the solution, when Atif have problem to handle to make a classification for revenue earned and cost incurred for the machine, Atif should ask the senior accountant to help him to make a better classification for cost incurred and revenue earned. This is because Atif is still newbie in accounting world, and he still have a lot of information, have a lot of knowledge he didn't know. So he should ask to the senior accountant in Qdin Berhad to help him to make a good classification. By doing that, Atif can improve his knowledge about the property, plant and equipment, and lastly, he can make a better classification for cost incurred and revenue earned by the machine that have buying by the Qdin Berhad company.